Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle mobile data off and on. Now, we're going to go over here to the control center. Here we have the mobile data. We're going to turn it off and turn it on again. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and check the APN settings. So we're going to settings now. Here we click on mobile network, and of course let's click agree. Here we need to go and click on our SIM, and what are we going to do now is we're going to the APN, which is the access point name. As you guys can see, we got the general, we got the internet. Now what are we going to do here is we want to check it. Of course we can totally delete it and we can reset it to default. Now we reset the settings, so everything should be good now. We want to make sure that our card is properly inserted. So if you do not have a bar right here and it is not reading your card, try and get it offline and then get it on back again. So this will definitely help you. And what are we going to do now is we're going to restart the phone to refresh the entire system. And now we're going to press the power button, volume up button. We're going to swipe to restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to toggle the airplane mode. So this is almost the equivalent of disabling our mobile data, but this time we're resetting our signal and it is looking for the closest cell tower. So basically we are resetting the entire connection and now our mobile data is definitely working. If not, as a last resort, we can go over to the settings and scroll down, go to system management, reset, and click on reset network settings. Click on reset and click reset once again. Now when you see this confirmation, if your mobile data is not working, I would recommend you contacting your carrier to verify the data plan. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.